Did you realize after installing the lights at home that the bright areas are like offices? In the dark areas, it's so dark that I can't see my fingers even if I stretch out my hand. Spend tens of thousands. It doesn't look as comfortable as 1/10 of the model room. Today I will share with you 3 tricks. Ordinary people can also become lighting design masters. First of all, don't follow the trend and install all the main lights as soon as you come up. First, understand, what is the function of each space in the home? The living room is where the family hangs out and follows drama's direct warm light base. A floor lamp is arranged in the corner of the sofa. The sense of atmosphere is directly filled. Don't just rely on the top light in the kitchen. There is a light strip hidden under the cabinet. Fried vegetables and cut vegetables to see more clearly. The most common mistake is in the bedroom. Never hang a chandelier directly above the bed, because when you lie in bed, the light directly shines into your eyes. Will you feel comfortable? Install a bedside wall lamp and a bedside backlight strip. Reading and playing with mobile phones is both eye protection and atmosphere. Another is that good lighting is hidden. Don't slam all the lights on the ceiling. You can try to combine point light, surface light, and other types of light. Restaurant chandeliers focus on delicious food. Friends don't need filters to come to dinner and take pictures. Bathroom mirror with mirror headlights. The face will not be black and bright. Use deep cup anti-glare downlights in the elderly room. The whole house is bright and not dazzling. Don't be a big wrong seed when you finally choose the lamp. Just choose deep cup anti-glare downlights and spotlights. The light strip is selected with a high display finger and a soft light film. The track light must have a 360-degree rotation function. The above are some design techniques for lighting. Follow Kingornan and let you decorate without detours.